Hello my dear students. Today class we are going to study about the 10th chapter. That is, what is the 10th chapter dealing with? It is dealing with the topic what is cooking. So for cooking we need utensils. So many utensils we need for cooking. That is, some utensils are hidden here. കുറച്ച് പാത്രങ്ങൾ ഈ ചിത്രത്തിന്റെ ഉള്ളിൽ ഒളിഞ്ഞിരിക്കുന്നുണ്ട്. How to find it? എങ്ങനെ കണ്ടുപിടിക്കുക? Paint the portion that is being spotted. അതായത് ഇവിടെ സ്പോട്ട് ചെയ്തിട്ടില്ലേ ഒരു ഡാർക്ക് സ്പോട്ട്, ആ പോർഷൻസ് പെയിന്റ് ചെയ്യാം. ഇഫ് യു ആർ പെയിന്റിങ് വിൽ ഗെറ്റ് ദ റിമൈനിങ് പിക്ചേഴ്സ്. നമ്മൾ ആ ഭാഗം പെയിന്റ് ചെയ്യുകയാണെങ്കിൽ നമുക്ക് ബാക്കിയുള്ള യൂട്ടൻസിൽസ് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാൻ പറ്റും. See, I have painted this. After painting, we can see the utensils one by one. Is it clear? From this picture, we can see the utensils that is been hidden. After painting the dotted spot, we can see the utensils such as the pot. This one is the pot. Then ladle. It is a saucepan. This curve shaped, it is saucepan. This one, it is the teaspoon. Then tawa, frying pan, pressure cooker, and spatula. After painting, we will get a clear picture of it. In this picture, we must have found some utensils that are used for cooking. That is, are these utensils used in the house for cooking? Which are they? We know that these utensils are being used in the house for cooking. Not for cooking, for but measuring rice we use measuring cups. Then for picking something we use tongs. For cutting we use chopping board. Then wooden spoon, it is also used to mix the substances. And potato smasher, what it is used for? Potato smasher and they use in a potato smash into small pieces. What are utensils made up of? അതായത് we had seen that many utensils are there in a house. നമ്മുടെ വീട്ടിൽ ഇഷ്ടംപോലെ വെസൽസ് ഉണ്ട് അല്ലേ, കുക്ക് ചെയ്യാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ടുള്ള വെസൽസ് ഉണ്ട്. ബട്ട് ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് മെയ്ഡ് അപ്പ് ഓഫ് ഡിഫറെന്റ് തിങ്സ്. അത് എന്തുകൊണ്ടാണ് നിർമ്മിച്ചിരിക്കുന്നത്? പലതും പല മെറ്റീരിയൽസ് കൊണ്ടാണ്. We know that the utensils, they are being made of iron, steel, clay, glass, aluminium and plastic. That is, in our home we are using the utensils that is made up of എന്തൊക്കെ കൊണ്ടുണ്ടാക്കിയത്? Iron, steel, clay, glass, aluminium and plastic. As some elderly people, what kind of utensils were used earlier? What were they made of? അതായത് പഴയ കാലത്ത് എങ്ങനെയാണ് അവർ യൂട്ടൻസിൽസ് ഉണ്ടാക്കിയിരുന്നത്? അവരോട് ചോദിച്ചു നോക്കുക, പഴയ ആൾക്കാരോട് ചോദിച്ചു നോക്കുക. They will tell they were made up of clay. ക്ലേയും അലുമിനിയം കൊണ്ടിട്ടാണ് പഴയ കാലത്തൊക്കെ utensils made up of. That is, of oldly they were using clay. Later on only we are started using aluminium, etc. We do not cook all things that we eat. അതായത് എല്ലാ സബ്സ്റ്റൻസും നമ്മൾ ഭക്ഷണം കഴിക്കുന്ന എല്ലാ സാധനങ്ങളും നമ്മൾ കുക്ക് ചെയ്തിട്ടല്ലോ കഴിക്കുക. Certain things can be swallowed as a straw. പച്ചയായിട്ടും കഴിക്കാൻ പറ്റുന്ന എത്രയോ ഐറ്റംസ് ഉണ്ട് അല്ലേ? ഏതൊക്കെയാണെന്ന് ലിസ്റ്റ് ചെയ്ത് ഹിയർ ആർ ദ ലിസ്റ്റഡ് ഗിവൺ. ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് തിങ്സ് ദാറ്റ് ക്യാൻ ബി ഈറ്റൺ റോ. പച്ചയായി കഴിക്കാൻ പറ്റുന്നത് ഏതൊക്കെയാ? sugar cane, apple, mango, watermelon and orange. These are the substances which can be eaten raw. Things that are eaten cooked. After cooking only we are able to use these substances. What are they? The rice, ചോറ്, പിന്നെ ഇറച്ചി, fish, മീൻ, mushroom, ഗോതമ്പ്. ഇതൊക്കെ as such നമുക്ക് ഉപയോഗിക്കാൻ പറ്റുമോ? No, they cannot be used as such. They had to be cooked. After cooking only we are able to use these substances. Things that are eaten both raw and cooked. Raw ആയിട്ടും cooked ആയിട്ടും യൂസ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുന്ന ചില സബ്സ്റ്റൻസസ് ഉണ്ട് അല്ലേ? ഏതൊക്കെയാ അത്? Carrot can be eaten as a raw and also be cooked. Tomato, mango, cheese. These are the substances. Have you seen a chapati being made in the kitchen or anything else? There are so many things to be done for this. That is, for making a chapati, as such cannot be made. No, it had to be taken into a utensil. The flour, that is, the wheat flour had to be taken into a utensil and kneading into a duff, making small balls, rolling in the balls and then cooking on the fire. അല്ലേ? ചപ്പാത്തി ഉണ്ടാക്കുന്നത് നമ്മൾ മക്കൾ വീട്ടിലൊക്കെ ശ്രദ്ധിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ടാവും അല്ലേ? എങ്ങനെയാ ഉണ്ടാക്കുക? മാവ് കുഴച്ച് ചെറിയ ബോൾസ് ആക്കി പരത്തിയിട്ടാണ് പിന്നെയാണ് അതെന്ത് ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് ഷേപ്ഡ് ഇൻ ടു എ ചപ്പാത്തി. Go to the kitchen and observe something being cooked. What all was that? So you should observe this while going to the kitchen. You should ask your mother what are they going to prepare, what are substances are needed to be cooked. Write the sequence. Don't forget to write the name of the item being cooked. അതായത് don't forget to, when you are writing this, that is the name of the substance being cooked, you should not forget the name of the item. That is, students, what they do, they will write everything, but they won't write the name of the item that is being cooked. Look at the notebook of the classmate and discuss. You have to discuss yourself. എല്ലാവരും കൂടി ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്തിട്ട് അത് ഐറ്റം ഏതാ പ്രിപ്പയർ ചെയ്തതെന്നുള്ളത് എഴുതുക. You have seen the food items are cooked in a variety of ways. അതായത് നമുക്കറിയാം സബ്സ്റ്റൻസ് പലതരത്തിൽ കുക്ക് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും, ബേക്ക് ചെയ്യാം. Some substances are baked, some are fried, roasted and also steamed. So you have to list this. The method of cooking. That is cooking, it is in different methods. What we are told now. Roasting, boiling, frying, baking, grilling and steaming. Then corresponding to the name of the things, which all substances are baked, roasted. You all know that. You have to ask your mother to write down this. Okay. For roasting, we are using chicken, fish. For boiling, milk, it is being boiled. Water also boiled. After boiling only we are drinking water. No. Then frying. What all these substances we used for frying? Potato we are frying. Fish we are frying. Then baking. Cake we are baking. Bread. For grilling what we are using nowadays commonly used substances is grilled chicken. You all know that, no? Then for steaming, by steaming what we are cooking? Idli, it is being cooked by steaming. What is used to cook food in your house? Draw a picture of the notebook and write its name. That is for cooking. What is this? What is mainly used in our house? In our houses and all, we are using what? It is in some houses they will be using the kerosene oil for cooking. See, I had drawn the markings here to represent it. In the right side is given the instruments, that is solar cell, then a stove it is given, then a heater. On the left side it is given an old method, that is for cooking. Now also there are many people are using this method only. Then coal it is being used for cooking in the coal gas. Then for in the gas stove we are using gas. Cow dung, it is being used for preparing food. For making fire we are using cow dung. So for making fire, of making heat, these are the substances we are being used. For solar energy, it get from light, that is heat from the sunlight. You just mark down and write it in your note. Make and eat, that is soak among certain seeds, they can be soaked. Okay, they can be soaked and can be taken as a fresh one in the morning. The soaked one can be hung in a wet cloth and cover it. That is, if it is covering in a wet cloth and it is being soaked, we can take in the morning. Add sliced onions, tomato, salt and lemon juice to the mung and mix. That is, this is the procedure that had been used to eat the mongs. Then next is it is an example given to prepare the lemon water. How it is made, you all know now. You will be familiar with it. Your mother may be telling to you to prepare the lemon water, isn't it? Mix the sugar in water. We have to mix the sugar in water. Then we are adding what? Lemon juice is being added. Strain it. Lemon water. It is being ready. In the similar way, write two more methods that is being used in your house. That is, in your house we will use some methods to prepare the food. No, you have to write here. Under the lemon water, you may be writing how to prepare chutney, how to prepare rice, etc. That's all about this chapter. Yes, students, if you would like this chapter, please do subscribe and press the bell icon so that you will get the notification soon.